Welcome to KLBiologyNEET. In this video, we are going to discuss lymph. Okay, before that, let me discuss the question what we discussed in the last video. Which sample may not clot? Of course, yes, serum does not clot as it does not have the fibrinogen. Fine. Now let us learn lymph. What is the other name of lymph? Yes, it is interstitial fluid or otherwise tissue fluid. So it is actually the communicant or the mediator between the blood and tissue. So blood cannot directly bathing the tissue. Via the lymph only it bathed in the tissue. So only it is called tissue fluid. Okay. What is the composition of lymph? Possible question. So lymph is blood minus RBC, platelets, and plasma high molecular weight protein. So these things we won't find in the lymph. Is there any color for the lymph, children? No, it is a colorless fluid. Okay, so it is a colorless fluid, you can't find any color. As I told you, it is also like blood vessel, we can find the lymphatic vessel and then the minute vessel. Of course, you can find the tissues here. So, the gases, nutrients, everything supplied only through the interstitial fluid. So, what and all it supplies? It supplies gases, nutrients to the tissues. Okay. So, this is regarding the interstitial fluid. Okay. And lymph will have also, lymphocytes, the WBC cells. And these lymphocytes are of two types, either T or B. Of course, they are produced in the bone marrow and the process of their production we call it as hematopoiesis. And the lymphatic duct is also involved in fat absorption in villi. I hope you remember, children. Villi, we have a center duct, this is lymphatic duct, helpful in the fat absorption. Yes, sir? So, possible questions I told you. What is the composition of lymph? What is the color? What is the function? Yes. And it is interstitial fluid or tissue fluid. Yes, sir? Are you all clear with this topic? Fine. So, can you tell me what is the process of production of lymphocytes in the comment box? Any doubts related to this? Please follow us on WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram and Facebook. Thank you all for watching this video.